Hey, good morning everybody. I'll take you on a little trip with me this morning and go down to a little place called a restaurant and a little place to go canoeing and some fishing. And it was just a fun place to go. You could watch the raccoons eat, stuff like that. So let's just go down there and check it out. They calling it Welcome to Apopka Island is what they're calling it now. So let's see. Oh, they got the parking lot down there closed off. Son of a gun. I used to go down there and park. I want everybody to park over here, I guess. Okay, so I'm just going to walk around here a little bit, check this out. This is not as bad as Apopka Springs, but this is getting pretty bad. This is, thanks for visiting Apopka Island. Please respect their neighbors. Drive carefully. And we have no pets allowed, no walk-ins when at full capacity. Oh, they got a lot of no's, a lot of stuff you can't do. Hello. So how much?
$2 per person. Just be careful where you take pictures. Some people don't like their pictures being taken.
I won't take other people's pictures.
Perfect. And you're all set to go. Have a good one.
Thanks.
Welcome back.
Let's go. I can scare y'all out here. There's no way I'm doing it.
So, no, let's see, require surveillance. And you're seeing no videos, no cameras, no videos. You can't take pictures of anybody. So I gotta make sure that I don't take anybody's picture. Oh. This is pretty neat. Got your little boat things down here. $2 per person to get in. Now little river here, little creek off the river. There's no parking here, look at that. This is kind of neat. Little spot to sit by the river. There's a little stream here. I used to come down here and do a little fishing. I used to park over there, way over there. But I guess now they don't allow you to park over there and hang out over there at all. Make sure I don't get anybody's picture in here. I don't want nobody's. No cameras allowed. That's what she said. No cameras allowed. This goes over to the parking lot, and they usually keep that locked. If you want to go canoeing, they got canoes here. Different stuff. Boat ramp docks with the wind. This is pretty nice, but you're not supposed to take no pictures. No pictures, they said. So and they've got plenty of stuff to do over there. They got an ice cream place. They got solar panels on their building there. They got a little place over there to eat. I'm not going over there right now because there's too many people over there. I didn't think there'd be that many people here at 9:30 in the morning on a Sunday morning. And I don't know what this is here. It used to be a restaurant here, but this is private now. So I think it's time to move on. Pay $2 to get in. No pictures allowed. So I'm gonna get out of here. So I'm back in my van. I didn't get pictures of everything I wanted to. I hope that was entertaining to you and got some information about the Wekiva Island. You gotta pay $2 to walk in to rent canoes or to buy food at your restaurants. Huh. That's kind of strange because you're gonna spend money there anyway. But anyway, I'm out of here. On to my next place. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. I'm out of here.